Hello and welcome back for another Vechain price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis here on the Vechain chart and also give you my next price targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And by first giving you a recap of what has been happening here on the Vechain chart, gave us this massive crash in a breakdown move that gave us a new bear market low at around the $0.01323 mark. Then afterwards, we started this nice recovery to the upside in a move that has been obeying the Elliot structures, where you can see that on the charts, we first peaked in that first wave, saw a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that fully maximized minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area. Then afterwards we saw a reaction of the target area and started an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3 in a move that also fully maximized minimum target areas for the third wave that I gave you by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.0197 mark, which is an area that we fully maximized. Then we started a bit of a breakdown in the formation of this wave 4, minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this blue target area that I gave you by connecting the fibs from the low of the second wave to the high of that wave 3, giving me a minimum retracement area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, an area that you have fully maximized. And I now believe that whatever we are seeing at the moment is an impulsive wave in the formation of that wave 5, since we have now seen a reaction of this target area after seeing some long weeks into the target area. And in my previous videos, I have also been giving you minimum target areas for the wave 5 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of the wave 3, giving me a minimum target area at the fib level 0.618, and that is at around the $0.02179 mark. And that is the minimum that I'm expecting this wave 5 to the upper side to do. And since we have been trying to break above resistance at around the $0.2 mark, the moment we manage to break above it, get a successful retest of that key area of resistance and continue gearing up, then there are high chances that Vechain is going to fully maximize the fib level 0.618 and put in place a high for that wave 5 to the upper side. Then once that is done and we have a complete 5 wave structure, then we can term that as a larger Elliott wave count 1 to the upper side. Then from that point we can expect a bit of an ABC corrective structure on the charts in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2. And once that is done and we have a 5 wave structure and the formation of that wave 2, then that will be another confirmation that Vechain has now confirmed that the bear market low is in and the start of another impulse to the upper side has now started, where we can continue expecting higher prices, maybe even taking us to new all-time highs. That is still a possibility here on the Vechain chart once we have a complete impulse to the upper side. Alternatively, in case we don't see a successful retest here on the charts, then there are chances that we might see a bit of a breakdown, and in case such a movement plays out, then maybe at some point I might have to restructure my Elliott wave count, terming the new high at around the $0.02 mark as the high for this wave 3, so that we can have an extended wave 3, then expect a wave 4 before we can see one more leg up in the formation of that wave 5. That is the alternative scenario that I have in mind on the Vechain chart. But for now, let's continue watching whether we are going to see a break above resistance at around the $0.2 mark, get a successful retest, and fully maximize the area at around the $0.21 mark, which is the minimum target area for that wave 5 to the upper side. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 58 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you updated.